Okay, you need to see this. The ultimate pocket-sized perfection. Look at this dual-tone finish. Glossy glass meets matte metal. The clean layout is just chef's kiss. The cleanest compact Android out there. Run, don't walk.
I rent, so I literally cannot hardwire lights out here, but watch this. I snagged this solar light because my patio was completely unusable at night, and honestly, it's a game changer. It has this metal hook, so you just pop it on the railing, it charges itself, and this diamond grid makes the light super soft, not blinding. Plus, it has a backup charging port just in case. If you hate dark patios, run, don't walk.
I'm going to be talking about this AI tool that actually help you to create professional ads videos. So you don't need to spend money running ads to be able to promote your product, promote your services, or promote your YouTube channel or whatsoever in which you sell or you buy. So I'm going to be showing you how this particular site works, whereby it can be able to make you to create ad for your product, maybe either unboxing, UGC, and so many other things in which you can do for your products and your services. And mind you, this is going to help you to save a whole lot of money looking for creators or looking for those that can be able to create ad videos for you. You don't need to do that. So once you are able to create your particular ads for the videos, all you need to do is to now be able to promote it on any social media platform. And these are professional designs kind of ad videos. So the name of this site is Nextify.ai. Once you go to your browser, you search for Nextify.ai. This is the site in which you'll be needing. And mind you, this is actually not free. I'm going to be showing you how much these things cost. But now first, let me show you how you can be able to create these ads, which I talked about, which I showed you on the intro, for you to be able to know how this particular ads, this particular site works, how you can be able to create professional ads. And it's as simple as ABC. Even if you don't know the kind of prompt in which you want to use, you can just create it automatically. You can just click on it to just upload the videos, the picture or the video. It's going to create a script, a prompt for that particular product in which you post, and you can be able to use this prompt to be able to generate these particular ads videos for your product and your services. Now let me show you how this works. So now this site has three key main features in which you can be able to use. You can create a video ads from the scratch, or you can be able to create viral video, or you can be able to create video clone. You can clone a professional video and to be able to create it, recreate it for your particular product, either your drinks or your power bank or whatever in which you're selling or you are buying. You can be able to recreate someone's ad for your own. That's what they call viral cloning. So any kind of viral videos, you can reclone this kind of videos for you to be able to use the same design, the same effect and everything. Now let's start from this particular one. Now what I'm going to be doing in this video is very simple. I'm going to try these three particular features for you to be able to see how it works. I might not be able to try the other ones, but I'm going to try this particular one for you to actually see how we're able to create those intros. Now, one of the first things which we need to do is to try this first one, create video ads. Then we'll need to select the particular image. Even if you don't have the image, you can just take a picture direct from the site. This is what we're using. I've taken a picture of this, and I'm going to be using this particular picture for the ads, which is exactly what you're going to be seeing on this video. So this is what I've taken. I've taken this particular picture. So now the next, I can still take more than one or two. Is just my individual choice. So I've taken the top of the particular picture. Now this is a perfume, so I'm running. I want to be able to create a short video, a short ad for the perfume. You can now, the next thing which we need to do once we upload the second video, that's the second picture, because I'll be using picture. You can either use video or you can add audio if you have any, but I'll be using only picture for this particular one. So now the next thing which I want to do is to describe your idea, which is what you are seeing just below here. And you can see there's actually frame. So I'll be selecting it to give me a prompt. Now I don't have any idea on what I want to do, but I've clicked on AI auto prompt. It has given me some prompts, and these are everything in which it has given me, which even if you don't have an idea, you can be able to use. Then you can now select the style of the video which you want to use. That's the mode. Then you add sound effect, then select the aspect ratio, then quality, then the duration, how long you want it to last, either 4 seconds to 15 seconds. That's the amount of seconds, the minutes or seconds in which you want these videos, and They have 15 seconds, they also have 30 seconds, so you can select anyone which you want. So I've selected 7 seconds. Then the next thing is to click on the generate. Is as simple as that, and it's going to generate this particular thing. So this is just the first one. You hold on till the end, because I'm going to be showing you some other things, some other features in which we created using this particular feature. Now, this is how it looks like. You can see it looks like a video. These look like a professional video. Now, let's try something else. Now, let's come to viral video. Now, this particular one, I'll be using anything I like. Now, you just need to click on upload to select the source of the image, what you want to use. I've clicked it, which you can see is loading over here. Then, but I didn't select just one particular image. I selected more. So what I did was I selected this particular phone, old phone from Google Pixel, which I'm using. So I can select the target, North America, English, select the particular formatting which I want to, then click on AI auto prompt. It's now going to create a prompt for me. Then we're going to see the end result of this particular thing which I've created. Then click on confirm for you to be able to accept the prompts. Now you can see it has been able to scan the particular image and giving me the product name, key selling points, and other things. Now I'll be using this particular unboxing because it's a smartphone, which is this particular video type I want to do on this particular part. You can select any of these formats, either UGC, product demo, lifestyle, customer review, and all that. Then click on generate. Now let's wait for the end result for you to be able to see how this particular thing looks like, and it takes just 4 minutes to be able to create this video. Now this is the end result.
Okay, you need to see this. The ultimate pocket-sized perfection. Look at this dual-tone finish. Glossy glass meets matte metal. The clean layout is just chef's kiss. The cleanest compact Android out there. Run.
Now let's try something else on video cloning. Let's see how it looks like. I've imported this video. Now what I want to be using is this particular video for the video cloning. I'll be cloning this particular. Now I'll be using this empty plastic. Now you'll see some magic that is going to be done. I'm using this empty plastic, which is actually not of high quality. Now I've snapped it. Now it's going to import it. I'm using just a particular image for this. Now once it's finished uploading, now the next thing which we're going to do is to select the target audience and every other thing, then come to AI auto prompt for it to be able to give us what we want. Now you can see it has selected, we've selected the target audience where you want to put it. Now the next thing is to be able to come to this place, style clone. I'm not using everything. I'm not using total design of what I'll be importing. I'm just telling it to give me a fraction of the style. We have clone, we also have style clone, so it all depends on the one you want. So you can see the auto prompt that is created. Now compose, you can see the style clone which we are using is not 100% what the particular style in which this video was done. Now we've clicked generate. Now let's see the end result of this particular style clone to see how it looks like. Just as I said, it takes 4 minutes. Now this is the end result. Wow. Now let's try something else. I'm using this viral video once more. Now I just select image, source image. I'm using this old lamp, which you can see, which is very funny. I'm using this my old lamp, which I've been using at my workplace. Then I'm using this old rechargeable light. It has solar. Now it has given us we have used the AI auto prompt, which is what it has given us. You can see it over there. It's trying to recreate an ad for this particular AI, so this particular solar system, this solar light. Now it has given us a prompt. Now we're using UGC. You can use any of them, talking head, product demo, and all that, TVC style, lifestyle, customer review, anything in which you want to do. You can use any of these video types. Now the next thing which we want to do is to select generate for you to start generating, for you to actually see how this viral cloning looks like, and you're actually going to see the result at the end, which is informing it has task created successfully. Now this is where you get to see it. It's going to create it in 4 minutes, but we don't have all that time to wait. Now this is the end result.
I rent, so I literally cannot hardwire lights out here, but watch this. I snagged this solar light because my patio was completely unusable at night, and honestly, it's a game changer. It has this metal hook, so you just pop it on the railing, it charges itself, and this diamond grid makes the light super soft, not blinding. Plus, it has a backup charging port just in case. If you hate...
Now you can see the end result of this whole thing, how this whole thing works. You can see how it works. It's very simple. So you can be able to create product ads and so many other things for your product review, your ring lights, and anything which you can think. And you can see how not neat the picture I use is actually not that beautiful, not that so neat, but you can see the beautiful work that was done on this particular product. So thank you for watching. You can go to the description to be able to start using Nextify, and this is how much it costs for you to be able to start using Nextify. So thank you for watching. If you find this video interesting, make sure to give it a like, share, and subscribe.